Fest is right around the corner. So you know, we are going horse crazy over here. So we are going to make a room for the horse crazy doll inspired by Spirit Riding Free. To make the room, I start by taking cardboard and measuring a 12 by 12 square, then a 12 by 15 rectangle, cut on the line drawn, and remember to always have adult supervision when working with sharp objects. And I cut the 15 by 12 on the fold of a trifold so that I got two and they're connected. On the 12 by 12 square, draw and cut a window. I take the cutout, trim it down, cut it in half to use as shutters. I cover the walls with scrapbook paper. I found a really pretty light wood that reminds me of Spirit Riding Free. I use white paper for trim around the bottom of the wall and around the window. I cover the shutters with paper, cut and cover small pieces of cardboard, glue them onto the top and bottom of the shutters, use a toothpick to make holes in the window, then push the toothpick into the corner of the shutter, then place the toothpick into the hole to make working shutters. Glue the square wall to the floor to make the room, cut jumbo popsicle sticks, glue them to the floor, staggering them to make a hardwood floor. Now that we have our corner room, let's decorate. Recycle a cereal box and cover it with paper to make a platform. Cut wooden dowels in half, glue them to the back of the platform, glue a square wooden dowel on top to make a wooden headboard. Add a mattress and doll bedding like we made in our doll tumbler room. Add a few pillows. I am going to use decorative pillows to add a little color to this space. This fabric reminds me of Lucky. I made two and put them behind the standard pillows. I made a turquoise lace pillow. I made a turquoise lace pillow to pull over the color from the shutters, then a touch of gold and another Lucky pillow in front. For a quick throw at the bottom of the bed, cut a rectangle of fleece, fold it, and place it at the bottom of the bed. I take our toy box from a previous video. This reminds me of a tack trunk. I glue a button on the front for a little detail, then place it next to the bed for a little storage. I take some leftover cut popsicle sticks, trim them to the desired size, glue popsicle sticks going across to make a plaque. I have leftover stickers from the Spirit Riding Free playset, and I'm going to paint this saying onto my plaque. First, I stain it with a marker to create a little contrast. Use paint to paint the letters, stars and all, and hang it above the bed. Cut out pictures of horses. I'm using some doll packaging. Paint skinny sticks or coffee stirs. Glue them around the picture. Glue a small piece to the back so it can stand up to make a framed picture of Spirit. I made more without the stand, then glued them to the walls for artwork. Cut foam board, glue it to the wall, and we can display our Breyer Mini Winnie collection on the shelves. These come in blind bags and you can find them at Walmart and tack shops for about $2. This one looks a little like Spirit. I take the caddy from a previous video, paint it to match, sand it with a nail file to make it look distressed. Fill it with paint from our doll craft room video and other art supplies from our watercolor unicorn video, so our doll has some supplies for customizing and drawing horses. Add a copy of our printable Fabsome Horses magazine to make a room perfect for the horse crazy doll. And the best part is that our horses can pop in to say hi. Thank you for joining us while we made this horse lovers room, and we hope to see all of you at BreyerFest 2018 in Lexington, Kentucky, July 13th through the 15th. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We are stronger every day. Yeah, we're getting braver in every way. Yeah, golden wonderland, when we're hand in hand. Our sisterhood turns bad into good. Golden wonderland, when we take the step.
We want to give a shout out to Jillian's Journey. What's up? Chloe, here is your new room. I took it upon myself to move you into the guest house. I needed a little more wall space. Now you can draw and paint as much as you like. Enjoy!
Wait, what?